Why should churches or parishes perform a capital reserve study or capital needs assessment? We're going to give you 3 reasons. I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com, and here's 3 reasons that churches, parishes, schools, and institutions should perform capital needs assessments. Number 1, financial stability. When you're able to forecast these costs and repairs, you're able to keep your books and your bank account stable. Number 2, avoiding major repairs. You do not want to be in a situation like a local university we worked with where they had regularly $50,000, $100,000 repairs that they did not know about in whole buildings that were not operational because of the repairs. Number 3, accurate forecasting. This goes back to number 1, but it's a little bit different. You want to know as an administrator, as a stakeholder in your school, in your parish, in your church or institution, what kind of costs are coming down the pipeline. WB Treese Consultants works with schools, parishes, institutions, and churches all across the country. We'd love to work with you. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks so much.